Hello everyone, welcome to SCI-EASE. In this video, I am going to discuss a very important topic of class 11 chemistry, that is Aufbau Principle. From the name Aufbau, it appears as if it is after the name of some scientist, but it is not after the name of the scientist. Aufbau is a German word meaning building up. So, there is sometimes a question in the competitive exam that tick the answer which is not after the name of the scientist. So, 4 options they are given. Out of them, Aufbau is not after the name of the scientist, so you are to tick it. So it's very important. You should know that it's a German word and its meaning is building up. Aufbau principle that tells us about the filling of the electrons, that how the filling of the electrons takes place in the orbitals. In ground state of the atoms, the proper definition, the orbitals are filled in order of their increasing energies. So, the orbitals, they are filled in order of their increasing energies. This means the orbital which is having less energy, that will be filled first, and then the orbital which will be having the more energy, that will be filled later on. Okay? Now, there is some rule to fill the electrons in the orbital, and that rule is N plus L rule. Okay? Here energy is directly proportional to N plus L. If the sum of N plus L is more, the orbital will be having more energy. And if the sum is less, then it will be having lower energy. So what is N? That you know that it is the principal quantum number, and L is the azimuthal quantum number. So here I will write for S, P, D and F the value of L. Okay? For S the value is 0, for P it is 1, for D it is 2 and for F it is 3. Okay? So, suppose there are some orbitals. There is a row of some orbitals that is given, and you are to arrange those orbitals in increasing order. Okay? I will write some orbitals, and you are to arrange in terms of their increasing energy. Okay? So, I will write some orbitals like 1s, 2s, 2p, okay? Then 3s, 3p, 3d, then comes 4s, 4p, okay, and 5s. Suppose this much is given. 4d, you can write 4d also. 4d and 5s. You are to arrange them in increasing order of the energies. By applying N plus L rule, how you will calculate, I will tell you. Write a line like this. Okay. And now calculate n plus L for each orbit. For this 1 plus S, value of L is 0. 2 plus S, again it is 0. 2 plus P, it is 1. 3 plus S, it is 0. 3 plus 1, 3 plus 2, okay? 4 plus 0, then comes 4 plus 1, 4 plus 2, and 5 plus 0. Now clear to all of you? I have written n plus n. Now add them, okay? Add them. It is 1, okay? It is 1. It is 2. This is 3. And again this is 3. I will tell you later on how you will arrange them in increasing order of their energies. This is 4. This is 5. Again 4. So here 5, here 6, and here 5. So which one of all these orbitals has the lowest energy? That is 1s. It's having lowest energy. Then comes 2s. Now here 3 is for 2p and 3s. So how we will decide that which one has a lower energy? Here we will see the value of n. Where the value of n is less, it will be having, that orbital will be having less energy. So out of 2p and 3s, 2, that is less. So here we will write 2p. Then comes 3s. Now 4 for this and this. Now which is having the lesser value of n? 3p. So next is not 3d, it is 4s. Now again 5 for these two. So it is having the lesser value of n. So 3d. Then comes 4p, then again this is 5, so 5s and 4d. So this is the sequence. This is the sequence of the orbitals which will be filled first. 1s, then 2s, then 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, 4d. Okay? Now, in your book, there is another method also given. So, I will take up that also. So, that method is, we will write the orbitals like this. This is 1s, this is 2s, 2p. Okay? Then 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, then 5s, 5p, and suppose here 6s. You can write 5d, then 5f, so on. You can write it, but I will tell you that how this energy levels, or you can say the orbitals, that will be what will be the sequence in which they will be filled. So first is the 1s. Okay? So how it will be filled? First the orbital that will go in 1s. Okay? Then 2s. It will go like this. Then again here it will go like this, 2p and 3s. Then it will go like this and 3p, 4s, okay, then 3d, 4p, 5s. How this, you can see the sequence that will be like this only. 1s, it will, you can show it with the dotted line that it will go here, and then 2s that will be filled, then again dotted line, 2p, then 3s, after 3s there will be filling of 3p, okay, then 4s, and you will see the same sequence you will get 3d, 4p, 5s, then 4d, 5p, 6s, and so on. Okay, so there are two methods. You can write like this also. You will know how to fill the orbitals and which orbital is having the lesser energy, or you can take n plus L rule. But n plus L rule, that is not followed by the orbitals which is having only one electron. Their energy, that is directly proportional to n only. Directly proportional to n. Okay, that is the exception. Like hydrogen, you can take where there is only one electron, then here you will see that it will be like this. Okay, the energy that is directly proportional to n. So I have told you that how the orbitals they will be filled. Okay, so this thing is clear that the lesser energy, which orbital is having the lesser energy, that will be filled first, and the orbital which is having the more energy, that will be filled later on. This my thing is clear. But still, you know that S has only one orbital, okay? P has 3 orbital, D has 5 orbital, and so on. So how the electrons, they will be filled, that I will explain in the next video. I will take up Pauli's exclusion principle, and you will learn how to fill the electrons in these orbitals. Okay, we will study them, the full filling of the electrons by Pauli's exclusion principle and Horn's rule, that we will study in the next video. Till then, thank you very much.